Hot.
Jamaican farmers.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant.
Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to another video. Hard at work. In today's video, it's all about backing up my plantation from the animals. You know what I mean? Especially the goats. My God. All right. So as you can see behind me here, there are some pallets. Yeah, that is what I use to back up my plantation. So my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay to see what's coming next.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my viewers, as you can see, I have some big pallets, small pallets, all different sizes. So you don't know what it's all about. Going to the plantation to do some backup. Yeah, get rid of all those goats, cows, animals, you know what I mean? Yeah, get rid of them out of the plantation before I start planting back my seeds. Alright, so as you can see here, yeah, I'm hard at work. Yeah, let me show you what's going on here. So as you can see, I have a drill here. I screw all the pallets on the side of the fridge here, and I screw all the pallets together. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to back up your garden, you know what I mean? So I screw the pallets on the whole fridge, and then I screw the pallets them together to hold them firm. All right, so yes, my viewers, as you can see this corner here, I'm gonna go over here to show you what's going on, guys. This corner here, this corner is gonna be the fridge corner. Yeah, from here right around, it's gonna be the fridge corner. So each fridge is gonna have in different vegetables. As you can see, this one is a very huge one, and it have two sides. I want to cut out the middle to have it in one, but I leave it just like that, you know. Might be putting two different type of vegetables in this, you know what I mean? Yeah, because it is a partition. But like here, yeah, so I'm gonna have like pop chow here, I'm gonna have like cabbage here, I'm gonna have like carrot here, callaloo, you name it. Yeah, right around. But inside here I'm gonna fork it up, season up the dirt. When I say season up the soil, I mean I'm gonna mix it with all different stuff, because you know this farm is gonna be organic. All right, some of viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay to see the finishing. All right. Yes, my people. Like, so when me do anything, it must neat, you know. So I say. Yeah. Alright, put on a couple more pallet. Yeah. As you can see. Yeah. Alright. So when it comes to this fridge now, I'm gonna cut some tree limbs. Yeah, with a lot of leaf on it. Put into the bottom of this fridge here. After I do so, leave them to quail. Then I'm gonna put some of this dirt inside there, and then I'm gonna put some cane trash burning into the bottom from the Long Pan Sugar Factory. Yeah, I'm gonna put some dirt from down there inside here. Yeah, you understand? I'm gonna mix it with ashes, yeah, to make sure no bugs no go or worms no go inside go eat my vegetables then, because as what I said before, organic. Yeah, organically. So yes, me people, it's all about the dirt from the Long Pan Sugar Factory. Very strong dirt. Anything planted in that soil, yeah, always look good, you know what I mean? Yeah man, as you can see in one of my previous video, the callaloo grow taller than the callaloo man. It is in that same dirt, the callaloo plant, you know what I mean? So it grow very tall. Yeah. So that is what's going on here right now. I have a fish tank around here. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the fish water to water all these vegetables when I plant them out. So I'm gonna come back to do the rest of this side. Come right down here, right down to this fence in here. Yeah, right here I'm gonna stop. All right. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, stick and stay. See what's coming next. All right. This is my little TV back here. Here I used to use here for a bed where I plant the seedlings. Yeah. So I have to move it now, carry it into the plantation. And as you can see, I have ginger inside here. So some of these ginger, I'm gonna move them into a fridge. And as you can see, the ginger is growing from out the earth, you know what I mean? So I have to throw back soil inside here to cover it back. And as you can see, it look darkish green because it's almost fit. Yeah, this is where I dig my ginger to boil my sorrel. And I also have turmeric here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a fridge to plant ginger alone inside here and one for turmeric. So yes, my viewers. And as you can see here, I work on fridge, you know, so most of the time when I get the fridge them, when the owner for the fridge them not fixing them gonna buy a new one, I get the whole one. Alright, so right now I have two here, so I can use these two into the farm. Alright. Yes, my viewers, as you can see, yeah, all the borders are up. Yeah, man. Alright, my fencing, you know, no animal can come in now unless them come through the gate on that side. Yeah, alright. I have this little patch here to fix up. Yeah, this little patch here to fix up, alright. Burn some fire in meanwhile, you know, because when you come to the plantation, fire have to burn. Yeah, use those 2 pieces of zinc to back up the heat from the banana plant. Alright, yeah, man. So yes, my viewers, as you can see, start to put in some branches. Yeah, burning some fire here. Tomorrow I'll burn the next one here, so I'm gonna burn fire right through, because I don't know. Burning fire get rid of all those plagues, those insects in the soil, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you don't know, my fridge them soon get ready to plant. Yeah. Start to throw soil into this one already. So this soil that I'm throwing to this one, I'm gonna leave it there because I'm gonna throw the black soil now that come from the factory up the top, because that soil from the factory, it is very fertile, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna put it on top. Yeah, so this one I never want to lick out the middle, but me end up lick it out, yeah, to get it broad all in one. Yeah, this piece was in the middle. So yeah, as you can see, time for me to pull this off soil. Yeah, and then to put the black dirt on top, and then to season it up, put in my ashes and so forth. That is the reason why I'm burning some fire also. Yeah, so over here I have some branches inside this one here. Yeah, it is time to put in soil. Don't know if I'm gonna lick out this part here, lick out this part here, and lick out this part here. Some of viewers and my subscribers, my fence is up. My fence is up. My fence is up, as you can see. Alright, so yeah, it is time to plant. Alright, so I'm gonna fork up inside the middle here, yeah, to do some planting same here also. So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, I want to say thank you all for watching. Alright, peace, and I'm gonna be out.